Hey guys, today we're going to make a Twinkie shake. And I don't know about you guys, but Twinkies are pretty awesome. So to do that, what we've got here is we're gonna be using our French vanilla Formula 1. We're going to be using our vanilla protein drink mix, which is the base for your shake. We're going to be using some imitation butter flavoring, so like Butter Buds or this Molly McButter. We also have some toasted marshmallow flavored syrup that we'll be using, and then we have some other goodies for toppings and such. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put all of this in the blender at the same time. Now we're gonna blend this in a basic home style blender. And really, you guys, the secret to a great texture in your blender is time blending. So you want to blend it. It's probably gonna take about a full minute in a full-size blender like this. And you want to blend it and then stop it and start it again. And when you start to not hear any ice hit the blades, that's when you've probably got it about right. Okay, so we have it all blended up. It's nice and thick. It doesn't pour around when you move it in the shake, which is just how I like it. And now what we're gonna do is we're gonna have some fun with the cup. So we have some whipped topping for the top. Get that shaken up. But it just kind of messy inside the cup so it gets mixed into your shake a little bit. And just a smidge of caramel syrup. You don't really want the caramel messing up the Twinkie taste, but sure looks good in the cup. A little bit of whipped cream on the top. And there you go.